Hi everyone, this is Tessa Delisa again, and I'm going to discuss with you how to use social science statistics website in having your descriptive statistics. So, on our first video, we actually discussed how to use Excel in describing your data. Now, if in case that your Excel is 2007 or later than 2007, you will not be able to have those functions. Now, there is this one online software that you can use for free. This is called the Social Science Statistics, or you can go to their URL. This is socscistatistics.com/descriptive, because we are going to have descriptive statistics for today. Okay, so let's explore first. So actually, in this website, this is very user friendly. You have their home. We have calculators. For calculators, those are statistical tests. They cover a lot of statistical tests from parametric to non-parametric statistics. So we also have descriptive stats. So this is the descriptive stats that we are going to use. So they have merchandise, tutorials, they have quizzes, in which statistical tests, or you can contact them. Okay, so let's start. So I think let's start with mean, median, and mode calculator. Okay, so you just click there. And what's good in this software is they have explanation. So you have their mean, median, mode calculator. So they will be giving us the values for mean, median, and mode, or the measures of central tendency, or the averages. Okay, so it also has a little bit of explanation how to use the calculator. So you have there to perform a calculation, enter your data values into the text box below, either one value per line or as a comma, the limited list, and then press the calculate button. Okay, so for this, I think I'll just be having the data that I have last time, which are rather ages and grade score. So we have here, we have levels of measurement. By the way, so to proceed, there are four types, or technically four levels of measurement. So we have nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. So for nominal, it is used for naming, and for ordinal, it is used for order or ranking, and we also have interval ratio, which is the scores that we already know: test scores, attendance, grades. Your grades are interval ratio. For nominal, we use numbers as names. So identification number, your cell phone number is a nominal data. So we also have ordinal naman, first, second, third. Okay, for this, if you're going to have mean, median, and mode, it should be in the interval ratio. So for nominal and ordinal, we can just count, or we can have frequency. So we can paste the values here. So let me just have the one. So age, I have 25 responses last time, so you can just paste your values there. So these are the age of my respondents last time. So let's see if we can have mean, median, and mode. So you can just click calculate. This is very easy, user friendly software. It doesn't require you any it will not require you to download it. This is purely online, so you can just click calculate. Okay, so when you calculate there, you have the mean 17.32, which is the same with our other video. And we have median 17, mode is 17. Then you can just reset your values. So you just copy first the values that you have, and you reset the values. So for example, you wanted to know the grid score. Last time we have the grid score. Can reset the values. It will erase everything there. Then you can have, let's just copy the file that I have. So you have this one. Okay, so if you're gonna copy and paste it here, you can have the values. Then you just need to click calculate, and it will give you the same values that we have during the Excel tutorial that we have. Okay, so see, it's very easy. If you are not yet familiar with how to do it with Excel, you can use socscistatistics.com, and it will give you a lot of data. Now, let's try the other one, which is standard deviation, because as I've mentioned, if you're going to report the mean, you need to report the standard deviation. So let's go back with descriptive statistics, and let's click variance and standard deviation calculator, and just paste the score. So I already have the scores a while ago, which is the grid scores. Then this is the sample. Okay, so this is the sample because only 25 out of my 41 students, I think 41 or 35 students that I have answered the survey that I gave them. Okay, so remember, if your data represent the whole population, then you need to select population above, but I just have sample. So you need to click calculate, and yeah, success. You'll find your result now. Okay, and also a good thing about this online tool is it gives you the computation. That's why this is x minus, let me just explain. So you have x minus m. This is the score minus the mean. So the mean that we have a while ago is 3.5, I think 3.5. So if you're gonna use it and you're gonna subtract it, it will give you this one. Okay, and you need to square it. Then it will give you the sum of the sum of the square deviations. Then this is the formula. So it doesn't really just give you the value, but it gives you explanation. That's a good thing, right? So it gives you the solution and explanation. So we have the variance is 0.46. So, and the standard deviation is 0.67. Technically, if you get the square root of the variance, you will get the standard deviation, because standard deviation and variance are just, standard deviation, when you square it, it's the variance. Or when you get the square root of the variance, it's the standard deviation. Okay? So, that's it. It's very easy, right? So, if you have difficulties accessing this website, I think you can comment down below, and I'll give you a hand. So that's it for our descriptive stats. So if you need some tutorial videos about statistical analysis, kindly let me know so that I can help you. Okay, so we should learn as one. That's it for today, and I'll just see you on the next video. Bye.